Full Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Histories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma nge-e.tv scandal. Kunenkinga khona ke eserious kaMathubela lilihlohonolo hlohi. Niyazi guys ukuthi uHlohi uqashile ke uMathubela ukuthi ke azomgadela ke ama-twins akhe ngoba shem yena bengakhoni kahle. But manje guys into econfuse ukuthi uMathubela ufuna ukusebenzisa experience yakhe yokuba ugogo kulezi ingane lezi eclashayo ke nebelief ke noma ke nezinto azizokodokotela ke uHlohi. Wafika no interest no bani wathi amsebenzele khona and uHlohi was like hayibo lento lena mina ngiyazi nodokotela zangazasho lutho ngayo athi hayathusha bana okay sharp waphinda umntwana aphatha ama hiccup Mathubela wabuya nephepha wathi hla iphepha wathi amathi wathi nciye esiphongweni apheli ihiccup. Namhlanje guys ke Mathubela ke uthengile ispade upetangwana waHlohi without telling her ari ke fonile hle ke ubuja ngere gore ke fonile ngwana o betshwere ke constipation and I was like ka simtlogele she ngwana o kwa bohloko. Guys Hlohi was like why it's king mama unotsamaya shem umsebenzi upheli ka una mkhulu ka stela sona se umsebenzi uphelile you are fired nakilapile ke wena gore every now and then ufika nama ideas amasha hayibo usana kumcasuwe guys ngokuthi ke ahambe buza ukuthi izingane lezi ezikabani and yena wayicabanga ukuthi ke umdala cheated wachithela ke uHlohi wathola abantwana uHlohi ukhulisa izingane mayesazi ukuthi surrogate akazi nokuthi surrogate yini yona leyo. So guys uhleze eseyinkingeni every now and then but ke I was reading ama commenting lapha abantu bathi uzomkhumbula ke uHlohi uMathubela because ubeza ama solution yena noma kadensi izinto ngendlela yakhe but she was coming with ama solution lawa ke uHlohi ke akade ke engenawo. So guys i-argument isukile lapha na ke ku social media ukuthi ke in this situation do you still believe when telling ngane file ipetiwe ifaka uchathe inqeni noma nawe you are more than ufana noHlohi ubona ukuthi uMathubela wrong imelana instruction yabona nje it's just that guys nami I don't want to lie mangifike ekhaya uma like hey wena athi gore uchathe ngwana I'm like hayibo hana luthi ulimi lengane lomhlophe lunjani ini fanele achathe umntwana uyathuka melele mele achathe mele uthenge in it was just a lot and I was like I don't know about that. But ngiyazi ukuthi wena ngangamshiya noma ngabe kada amchatha. Anyway guys ke do leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ke ubona uMathubela u2 forward kumele athi kancane noma ubona ukuthi uHlohi uthatha ke ngehaba. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.